That's a good start.
Good start. Not like it's about 1 o'clock in the morning. Red. Update. Little Red Riding Hood. We've stitched the bits and bobs together, and when I say we, I mean she. I don't know why I allowed her to do more stitching. He's not. It's not the best.
Go on. One arm's lower than the other. People are not completely symmetrical, you know. That's just the weakest excuse.
Yes. So I did the dress, the pattern for the dress, and it is stupid.
You made me actually read it 3 times because you were convinced.
Yeah, because
I told you the wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is what it looks like. This is it. Absolutely ludicrous. And I'll put it on and I'll show you. If I don't drop it. Which I did drop it. Otherwise, if I don't drop it, because I have dropped it. I'll put it on and I'll show you. Because it's just stupid.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like, but it feels stupid.
No, it's just daft.
Like that. It's just, well, it's just stupid, isn't it? It's just gaping there. Yeah. It doesn't come down. It's just,
yeah,
it's just awful. So I decided I would make my own, redesign the dress. So I've done that, and I will show you what I came up with, which was this little pinafore dress, which I shall put on, and you can tell me which looks better. And hang on. I got it on easy before, and now on camera I'm not going to do it.
It's always the way.
Just let the working eyes put it on nothing. Tight it back. But we might have stitched it on it.
Yeah, we'll probably stitch it on in a little crossover.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I trust you, if I could do it myself. So anyway, that's
much better.
My design of dress.
Yeah.
With a little A-line pinafore.
Yeah.
Which I think is better.
I think it looks, it's much better. I think.
It comes out, well.
Yeah.
It just feels
like a little girl's dress.
Like a dress, not like a sack with armholes. Or a pillowcase that you call a sleeve holes through. This thing. No, that is better.
It looks loads. I think it's much better. It really is. It'd be nice to see how it goes with the cape and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's a much better dress.
If you're interested in how I did it, yes. I did a chain of 24 and joined it in a loop. Then did a row of 24, and then I increased. What did I do? Increased by 4. Then a straight row, then by 4 again, then just increased it by 4 alternately until it got to there. Oh, that's pretty simple. And then I cut it off, and then I rejoined it up there to make the top bit, and then self-explanatory really. The rest of it, did a chain and then single crochet back down the chains, and
yep, has a much better, nicer, prettier looking like dress. Yeah, it is. Yeah. It's much better than.
My advice is design your own dress if you're gonna,
gonna do the kit. Yeah.
Or do design a dress.
Or if you're going to stick with that dress, make it a couple of rows longer at the bottom.
Yes, and start with less chains.
Yeah. Maybe 24 or 26 instead of 28.
decreases, it goes down, which is basically that. But yeah, don't do it. Do something else instead, or leave an 8 on. Anything's better than that dress. Is crap. So
sorry, Anchor, but it's true.
Yeah, it's me. So we'll see how it progresses. See if anything else is better than this.
Yeah, lovely.
Bye-bye.
Well, we'll be back in a bit.